The Western Cape's seaside town of Plettenberg Bay is going to host the world's largest collection of bird species. The Birds of Eden Bird Sanctuary boasts some of the most exotic and outspoken feathered animals.
This bird park is a world first. Local bird experts have managed to recreate the homes of over 100 different bird species.
We have over 140 species which come from every continent in the world.
And all its visitors will be able to immerse themselves in the bird's natural habitats. Some of the park's residents are on the endangered species list and would otherwise not be seen by the public. But it was no easy task creating this bird wonderland.
In the construction of the bird park, which is 2.3 hectares, we incorporated an entire indigenous forest, which is great for the forest-dwelling birds, but it also incorporates this area here, which is more like a plains area, and there's water for waterfowl. So we basically have like biozones for every type of bird.
Blignout says the sanctuary will be an ideal breeding ground to help take some bird species off the endangered list. With its colourful and diverse species of birds, this sanctuary will give visitors a chance to interact with some of the rarest birds in the world. Wata Hartley, SABC, Plettenberg Bay.